Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to attach objects to any surface in DaVinci Resolve Studio. Let's get started. First, go to Color tab and search for Surface Tracker and apply it to your video. Then, connect the video input to the tracker so DaVinci can analyze the surface. Now outline the surface where you want the subject or object to be attached. For better tracking, increase the mesh points to 150. Then change the tracking quality to better and start tracking. This may take some time depending on your video length. Now import the subject or object you want to attach, then connect its node to tracker's input and output. And that's it. Your subject is now perfectly tracked and attached to your chosen surface. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.